Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you guys how to prepare for a new school year. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I also hope that this will give you an idea how to start for a new school year and be organized. So the first thing is to sort out the old stuff from your last school year, because there'll be so much junk that you don't want and so many valuables that you don't even know, and it's gonna be staying in them forever. So the first thing I do is to sort out the old stuff. The next thing I do is to finish my holiday homework. People just don't think about any holiday homework and just kind of chill, but then we suddenly remember about holiday homeworks, and we call our friends and ask them what to do, and panic in the first day of school. So just don't do that, and do your holiday homework at least 2 weeks before your school year starts. And yeah guys, the third tip is to know the syllabus which is going to come in your next school year. If you do not know the syllabus, it's not going to help you, not at all. So for example, I have just wrote my maths portions here, so that I will know the portions which is going to come, and also I can make notes easily. And next tip I have is to have a clean desk. As I shown in the previous video, I made a desk store, and you guys could see that it was clean because our school year is gonna start soon, and that's why I always have a clean desk. So don't forget to have a clean desk, because clean desk has a clear mind too. So yeah guys, the fifth tip is to have routines, morning and evening routines, because your morning is the time when you actually wake up and start doing your work, and evening routine is time when you are going to have a productive morning. So you just have to have morning and evening routine for your new school year according to your timetable for your classes. The next thing I have in this list is to buy school supplies. Everyone loves to buy school supplies, and this is just the obvious thing that everyone does. They don't forget at all. And yeah guys, the seventh and the last tip is to organize your calendar. You can get your exam timetables or test timetables or homeworks or events. Just organize your calendar and put those events into the calendar. And yeah guys, this is the overview of the how to prepare for a new school year. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.